Alright, GGB is going over here to shoot. I'm setting up this ground cam here. Our beaver dam is right there. There is our Tannerite. And I'm waiting, he's getting in position over here. Alright. Okay, I'm fixing to head to you, alright? Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna turn this on here. We're rolling there. That's our beaver dam. And let's see what happens. There's our Tannerite. And I'm headed to him.
Not really a steady rest.
Huh?
Hard to keep my crosshairs straight. You'll have to tell me when you're ready.
I've been ready.
Oh,
I'm waiting on you, sir.
okay.
Good Lord. I think them beaver dam is in a bind.
Look at the water.
Yeah, I see it.
You think I hit it?
Oh yeah, good shot. All right, let's see what our water flow is doing here.
That was a hell of a explosion.
Yeah, it was. We got a little. We got water coming down.
Yeah.
Let's see what we did to our beaver dam. Yep, there's our water. I think we flowing, we draining. Yeah, we blew about a, shit, I don't know. That's a pretty good hole. We're flowing. Yeah, we're draining. So, we got a lot to drain though. Let me just show you what these turds did. They got all this dammed up. Here's pieces of our, there's pieces of the bomb way over here. Yeah. So my dad, look at them beavers. You see how they done chewed that whole damn tree down. But yeah, we flowing now, Jack. My dad had his reservations. He thought I was full of shit about this not working. But as you can see, now there's trees they were working on to cut down. More pieces of the bomb. It blew a big fucking hole in this thing. We are draining, Jack. So, we're gonna check our other camera out. We might have a little better picture of the actual explosion.
It could have been better.
So here's GGB. He was the first, when I first mentioned this, I got the "you full of shit" look on his face. So what do you think now?
Well, I think it was a great success. I'm ready to go again.
All right.
I want the Beavers to come back and build it back. So
Right. All right.